So I'll write in the question here. In a circle, with center O, and radius and diameter AB, and chord AD, another circle is drawn with A as diameter to cut AD at C. Prove that prove that BD is equal to twice into OC. So I'll now just label everything. AB is the diameter, ABD, then OC is here, perpendicular. This is my perpendicular bisector. OC is my perpendicular bisector. That's it. So ABD, everything is there. This is my. So to just prove that BD is equal to twice into OC. So the same diagram. Okay, so what I am doing here, I'll tell you what it is. Solution for this. Correct. So here O is the midpoint. Correct. O is the midpoint of AB is given. Correct. So what does it mean? OA is equal to half AB. OA is equal to half AB, we know. Correct. So similarly, OC is perpendicular bisector of AD. OC is the perpendicular bisector of AD. So which means AC is equal to half AD. AC is equal to half AD. Fine. Then what about OC? For this, the next thing which I'm going to say, okay, the next thing which I'm going to say is, if I take this triangle ABD, if I take this triangle ABD, I can write it here as what? OC is equal to half BD in triangle ABD. Why? Because line joining the midpoint of two sets of a triangle is half of the third side. So guys, I'll clearly explain to you this. So you can see one more diagram which I have drawn here. Correct. So the same diagram, I'm just tilting it. So this is very important for us. Okay. So A, then let's take it here B, then this is D, this is my O, this is my C. Now I will join everything just like in the last diagram. OC and this is my BD. This is very important for us. 90 degree. Just to make sure it's dotted line thing, I'm just erasing some of the points. That's it. Okay. So why I am telling you this particular thing? Because I told clearly what O and C, correct? OC is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AB and C is the midpoint. OC bisects. I'll write down words. O is the midpoint of AB, and OC is a perpendicular bisector of AD, which means AC is equal to half AD. Correct. So we know one very important formula: line joining the midpoint of two sides of a triangle is half of the third side. Correct. Because this is AO is equal to OB, AC is equal to CD. So which means what? OC is equal to half BD according to this theorem. OC is equal to half BD. So which means what? BD is equal to, this implies OC is equal to half BD. So if BD is equal to 2 OC. So in generally any session, okay, so the teachers will show you this and then they will teach you this is parallel to this perpendicular bisector, fine. But how you should learn is you have to just tilt the diagram. You have to just tilt the circle to this. You got the point. That's how we have to understand and do this problem. Prove that 3 angle y is equal 3 angle y minus 2 angle x is equal to 140 degree. In this question, okay, so one more simple thing which I would like to show you in this is the center. Let this be the center. Correct. So I'm just drawing something from the center. We all know this particular diagram. Okay, so we know this particular thing. So this is not joined properly, but assume this is proper. Okay, if I draw a central angle here, correct, same thing. If this is 160, so central angle is what? Twice this thing. So 2 into 80 will give me 160. So this angle will be what? 80. Correct. 2 into 80 will give me the central angle 160. And one more thing is what? This particular angle. Correct. This particular angle. So if I take quadrilateral, opposite sides of a quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary sense, this x plus y is equal to 180. If x is 80, y is automatically 100 respectively. Then substitute this, you'll get this answer. It's simple as that. Hardly 2 to 3 seconds. But again, what I want to show you is the inversion. How to invert and do it. If you are able to understand these things, then any problem we can solve it.